So many fucking. See those lights like beeping and shit?
Yeah, those planes, but
Yeah.
I don't
I
think
be feeling like they don't be
together.
beeping like that. Them shits be beeping way too much.
That one is moving to the right.
Yeah,
now.
I see it. I feel like that shit was like over there at first.
Over there.
I just looked back and that shit was like
to the right now.
Yeah.
This shit is.
trying to get that. Yo, that shit going crazy too.
Yeah.
What the fuck? I can't get it though. There it is. Got it.
It look like them planes is flying to it. Don't it? No.
Oh shit,
Don't it?
bro.
What?
Wait, is that a?
It look like them planes.
Those planes are orbs, bro. Come here. Come here. That's an orb, bro. It's pretending to be a plane.
Yeah.
They're pretending to be planes, so we can see them. Wow.
Holy shit.
Think about it. How many planes just fly around like this, like together?
None.
Just in sequence. They just keep back to back flying around that. Those are orbs. Holy shit. Holy shit.
They went back that way. One went back that way. One came this way and went back that way, bro. Like it was traveling this way and literally said, phew, went back to the right.
Look, that one just floating.
Yeah, look. Yeah.
Holy shit, dude.
Look, that one disappeared. That one stopped blinking up there. Bro. These shits is just, this is crazy.
They
Look,
smart.
there's one around that orb.
You see,
Look,
all right,
look,
you
look.
see that one that just flew by that other orb?
Yeah,
That other orb
yeah.
is blinking too.
I know, I see
It's
it.
just blinking. Damn, bro. I want to like take. Damn, bro.
That's just crazy. I love it.
And I got that shit.
I love you.
Thank y'all. Thank you.
For real,
Thank you for the show. Because the reason I could tell they were orbs is because every time they would blink, it would be an orb. Like up there, it just looked like a light.
Uh-huh.
But like when I would see that shit blink,
It was a circle.
it was a circle, exactly like the other one. Damn, them shits are smart, bro.
Hell yeah.
Them shits are smart.
And it's moving back in place. That's
I don't even want to move it from that one, cause that shit's like a, I don't even know, dude. I just kind of want to see that footage, but I don't want to stop filming. Wow, that really blew my mind. Now like all them shit's gone. Why was it that like, I swear, wasn't it like 10 of them shits?
at one time.
It was
and
just like
looked
10
they was-
airplanes.
and it looked like they was flying towards the
Yeah.
orb.
One over here. Yo, that shit look like that. Yo, that's that fucking plane, bro. That's that fucking plane, bro. And look, there's a bright ass light right there. There's a bright ass light going up right there. Behind this tree. You see it through the tree? You see it through the tree?
Holy.
They protecting us, yeah. Oh, I wish I could get
It's
this.
silent. You can hear it. Listen to it. It's silent.
So there's like a fucking military looking shit flying over us, and then there's this.
Live. Look at that.
Watch out.
Holy shit, bro, look.
Amazing. Amazing. It's pretending to be a plane. That shit on the side of it, bro, it's not a plane. It's an orb, bro. It's pretending to be a plane.
Look how it's going up.
That shit just flying over us. It's an orb pretending to be a plane.
That one.
But look how bright they are. It's not normal.
And they coming towards us, bro. Look how it flies. Look how.
Shit's fucking amazing. It's an orb blinking up there. Where that shit, they just be coming out of nowhere, bro. They interacting with us, man. We got this. They got our signal. They got our signal, bro. That shit crazy, man. That shit had my heart beating for a second. Like, I was just like so excited. It wasn't even like fear. I was just like excited as fuck. I was just like, what? Kind of makes me wonder because I keep seeing. The thing is, I keep seeing these ships or whatever. You know, if they're supposed to be airplanes, but they just like appear out of nowhere and start blinking. They don't just like come out the corner of the sky. You feel me? They just keep like start blinking out of nowhere. It's just that many fucking planes flying around. Hell no. Random ass ones coming out of nowhere. Wow, man. Wow. Wow.
More, look. They just keep coming out and
Like some of them will blink and they'll just stop for a little bit. I think that's like Caden. What? What's she doing? What the fuck is she doing? Here, bro. What's that noise? I hear a noise out here. Did you hear a noise?
I hear.
No, it was like a noise. Maybe I was tripping. That shit blinking a lot. That's not a. It's not an airplane, bro. Let me see. It's not an airplane blinking that fast. Where is it? It's orbs. Ooh. There's two orbs just flying around. One of them stopped. Is it just me, or did it look like when we saw those two ships? Did it look like one was like dark and one was light? You saw that shit? And I like felt it too.
Yeah, bro, my heart was like,
I was just
but
like,
not bad. Like,
but I saw the light one. And I was like, oh, we protected. We
bro,
good.
I
like,
seen like the one that came that way was like that was coming from. Look, now it's like 2 million. Something blinking. They just coming out of nowhere. But one, the good, like the one that flew by this way had like 3 things at the top and 3 things at the bottom.
Yeah.
And I was like, and then that shit was in the form of like this.
I think that was the good one, cause that shit, when that shit first popped up, it was just like a. See, that's an orb.
You think they like protected us?
Hell yeah, they protecting us, cause they know that we trying to. You know what I'm saying? They know what we doing. Dang, we summoned them shits. A lot of them came. Maybe it's something about us being together too that strengthens the signal, bro.
Definitely, bro. That energy, I already know.
But yeah, that's an orb.
Look at that shit.
If you could see this up here, bro, you'd be like, look at this shit. You see it? It's an orb. It's just blinking. These shits be pretending to be planes. Or pretending to be a plane.
Can you move left of me, please?
Wow. Red and blue. It's blinking red and blue.
Can you please move left for me?
They telepathic, bro.
Oh, yeah.
It's 2 of them. They just went into one. It's 2 now. Oh man, my arm is getting tired. Definitely need to take this shit off the tripod. There's some crazy shit going on. Man, did I even get? Bro, I'm not even sure like how that footage looked of when that shit was happening, but I'm just amazed I filmed that.
Bro, how did you feel? Like a feeling you never
It felt
felt?
like an experience.
Yeah, that shit was.
It felt like an experience. Like I was like, I don't know where this is gonna go,
Right,
but goddamn.
right.
But I was like, I'm glad to be experiencing this shit, cause this is some
I don't know
shit.
what could happen right now.
This is some shit. But like when I saw that light ship, I was like, oh, we good. We good. Like I
Bro, they
knew
was both
because I seen them
coming
shits on
towards
Ross Ben shit. Like I seen them shits. They was over the Olympics, the fucking Olympics somewhere, and there was a light one and like a dark one. It was like a standoff. Them niggas probably be standing off all the time.
But what would the dog want? I want to know what the dog people think they could do. They can't.
They can't do shit to us. Hell yeah.
Did you even tell Amy this?
No, because I ain't feel like she was gonna believe me, and like I would rather be out here
Yeah.
shooting this shit than trying to make a believer that don't even want to open their mind.
Look at that shit, red, white.
But you see the shit that's happening, bro. Like, and she's been seeing shit too. It's only gonna get more and more, man.
Yeah, it has to. Bro.
I can't wait. Oh my god, that shit. Thank you. Thank you, light beings. Thank you for protecting us, and thank you for showing us your power. This shit over here just flying around, hovering. This one just hovering. Yep. It's 2 orbs. It's just being still now. It's just moving back and forth a little bit. It's not even like flying away.
Yep.
It's flying away now. See, it just stopped. You see it?
Uh-huh.
It's just still flying around with us, bro.
There's another one. Look at this, bro. Look at that. Look how that's blinking.
Oh, shit. crazy. I can't even see that one. This shit crazy. That looks like a plane, but it also doesn't at the same time. I'm trying to get it. I can't even get that shit. Damn, what the fuck? Where'd that shit go? For real, I don't be liking when them shits fly right over my head. Cause I be feeling like that shit gonna try to abduct me or something. I'm like, yo, like, that shit fly right over your head.
Nah, bro, when it was coming this way, I was like,
Yeah, but I wasn't gonna run or nothing. Cause like, nigga, you can't run. Like, you can't run from that shit. I wasn't gonna go in the house or nothing cause I wanted to see what the fuck.
I just froze.
I was just like, yo, I'm recording this. And then, like, you saw how the plane, like, it couldn't have been a plane. Like, you saw how that shit came up. Like, the light, when that shit hovered up and stopped.
Yeah, bro. No, it was moving up. It came up from the trees.
It came up from behind the trees. That shit was bright as a bitch. That shit said, that shit stopped. And then the other one was like, oh shit, that shit started going over there. That shit took off that way. That shit came up like, nigga, what the, like, that shit came up. The light ones, the angels, the angel beings, bro, the angel spirit beings. It's not just aliens.
Hell no.
You know what I'm saying?
Like this life shit, man.
Seeing shit we just having experiences like we never had before. Like, it's amazing, bro. And I know when niggas hear our voices like on that part, they gonna hear like how real that shit is in our voices. You know what I'm saying? When niggas see that part.
Yo, that's, bro, do you understand? Nah, like
Like,
that's
bro,
some shit, bro.
Dude.
Like, dude.
Yo, what the fuck? That's crazy.